Well, everything put back together. Power steering pump wasn't all that hard to get back on. Filled it back up for the coolant. She's running. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. You see that thumbnail? The red Monte Carlo is getting a new water pump because the heat ain't all that hot. She's not overheating, but figure it's a water pump because it was hot. Used to be hot in there when I first started driving her. Now the needle gauge don't even go to half no more. They go to 3/4 of the way up. And it's not that hot. Changed the thermostat already. That helped a little bit, but it's not hot. So figure it's not getting no flow from that water pump. So let's go see how that water pump doing. Hopefully it is the water pump. So let's go check it out. And hopefully my audio is better this time around than that last choppy audio video that was made. But it was not my fault. When I go to edit the video, and that's when it was like chop, 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 chop. Better hear what I'm saying. So hopefully I'm monitoring this video, every clip, pause it, and check for audio. If I got to redo it 10 times, I'd redo it 10 times. So what you want to do is, before you move your serpentine belt, which I already got mine removed, you want to break. Let me get a light. You want to break those bolts loose, which I do believe they are 8 millimeters. There's 4 of them on the water pump pulley, right down in there. So you want to break those loose before you move the serpentine belt. Now I'm looking at this car need a intake gasket, seeping a little bit oil there, but we'll be all right. So like I say, those are 8 millimeters. You want to loosen those up before you put the belt off. Move your reservoir. Was that? I just untwisted these. These are 13 millimeters. Moved it on out the way. Unplugged the wiring harness from the engine, the main wiring harness, so I can get that out of the way. So I can get down there to the water pump. Now, I never did a water pump on these cars before, but it looked pretty simple, except for one of those bolts that's blocked by the power steering pump pulley back there. So hopefully I can get on that one. So let's jump on into this.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Okay, water pump removed. I thought it'd be a lot easier to remove it, but she actually got to remove the power steering pump. Now that's going to be a pain in my butt to get back on there. But you got to remove it because didn't realize these bolts was this long. So they got to come out quite a ways. And with that pulley in the way, you're not getting that last bolt out. So just remove the two bolts that's holding your power steering pump and set it to the side. I would have been doing a crank sensor in this video too, but I don't got the proper tools to get the crank pulley off. I do got a harmonic balancer, but I don't got the right screws with it, so I can pull that off and get to that crank sensor that's behind there. But I don't see nothing wrong with this water pump. Not rusty. So that might not be the issue. But she's going to be getting a brand new water pump anyway because we took it off. So she have a nice, brand spanking new, shiny water pump to go back in. With the new gasket. A LC Delco. And those bolts was the longer bolts is 13s. The small ones are, what was the small ones? I think they're 8s. I don't even know what I did. Go right there. Not at 10s. Yeah, it should be 10s. But let me check the audio on this. Audio seems to be doing way better in this video. Wonder what the problem was with the last video. Don't know. We just got to work through every issue one at a time. Like I was saying, your crank sensor is behind the crank pulley. On this car, it's right down there. Right where you see that puddle of coolant. Can't point to it. Can't get y'all down there. But that pigtail going straight into the side of the crank. And now I was about to do everything back in reverse. Turn my arm up. Well, I thought doing the water pump would be way easier on this car. Maybe next time I just tear everything down, change the intake manifold, gaskets. We'll see how long I keep this car because we always got other cars we build on, you know what I'm saying? She's a nice car, no problem running. Well, like I said, let me stop talking and hopefully the audio stay good. So let me get this pump back on.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Well, everything put back together. Power steering pump wasn't all that hard to get back on. Filled it back up for the coolant. She's running. Something still ain't right. Something still ain't right. Let me know in the comment section below, because something still ain't right with the climate control in this car. I'm not going to put no temperature sensor on there, because everything does, the fans do come on when the car reaches temp. If you try to go over, the fans do kick in. So now the temperature, I think it's a climate control issue with this car. One side of the car is blowing out cold, while the other side is trying to blow out hot air, which combined makes warm air. But we're going to go check, see if she up to temperature. But that's how you change your water pump on one of these cars. It's not that hard. I got coolant everywhere. Got it all put back together. And my hoses are getting hot. So there's nothing wrong with having a brand new water pump on your car. Check the temperature gauge. See, the temperature gauge is getting up there. See, the heat is just not hot. And on this side of the car, it wants to blow cold air. So I got these vents closed. It's always been like that since I got this car. One side will blow hot, the other side will blow cold. Might be something wrong with the climate control in this car. I changed the blend door actuators, but that seemed to not do anything. It's still cold on one side. It might be this controller right here. I'm about to take all that apart and see what's going on. I should have another one of these climate control controllers. I think that's what's going on with this car, because it's not hot. The more I turn it up, the colder it gets. So I guess that it is what it is. Car does pass emissions. Just the heat just stopped getting hot. I'm puzzled with this one. First I had hot heat. Then I didn't have hot heat. So I guess it is what it is. But the engine does heats up. All my hoses get nice and toasty. Burn off coolant. Got the garage door cracked. But yeah, I know I brought her back from the dead. And she's not gonna down me now. So with all that, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Let us know what's going on with this car. If anybody had the same issues with this car, share this video with your friends, family, and coworkers. They might know what's wrong with this car. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We take Cash App donations. We have merch like this at teespring.com. Go follow us. Not go follow us. I said that. I done lost where I was at. Doing too much. But we take car donations, Cash App donations, merch at teespring.com, like I already said. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.